Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Isham Creations. Before we start our today's project, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new video notifications. If you like my work, so please press on the like button and do support me. This is the ceramic clay. There are lots of people which are asking multiple questions about ceramic clay, and the people were asking about can we make ceramic clay using Modge or the Fevicol. So I had done an experiment and I shall show you the result of this experiment. Take a bowl, add 2 cups of ceramic powder in it. I'm going to use the larger 1 cup. This one is the larger 9 cup which I had used. Tylose powder in this ceramic powder because it will give some elasticity and it will help in making it bound to give us a better result. Because I am not using the Arabian glue, here I am going to use Modge podge instead of Arabian glue. So here I had added 1 cup of Modge podge. Now start overlapping the glue in ceramic powder. Don't need it, just keep on overlapping the glue in the powder. Remember that I had added half teaspoon of tylose powder in this clay. I had applied a little bit Vaseline to my hand, so this mixture will not get sticky to my hands. Now knead it till it become a homogeneous clay. The results are awesome. So guys, the results shows you that we can use Modge podge instead of Arabian glue. The results are approximately same. I hope you guys like my today's experiment, and if you like, please thumb up and show your love for us. I shall also use a little bit of clay to show you that what are the results of this clay. Here is the ceramic clay which I had made using Modge podge. You can see the results are same as my previous video shown you that the clay is so flexible and easy to handle. So we are successful in our experiment. I hope you guys like my experiment. So stay tuned with us.